the job, noise is often unavoidable. For workers in high noise environments, the risk to their hearing is real and constant. Noise-induced hearing loss remains the most common occupational injury around the globe. And although improved safety measures are reducing injuries of all types, head to toe, hearing loss is the one concern that here in SA we have not been as effective in preventing. As an employer, protecting your employees' hearing is not just a responsibility. It forms part of occupational law, and it's far greater than that. It's a calling to improve people's quality of life. Well, for various reasons. Much like with respiratory, hearing loss is not something that happens in a once-off incident or trauma. Typically, in the industrial setting, hearing loss is a process that takes place over several years with exposure to high noise levels within the workplace. Therefore, protecting against it needs to be an everyday habitual practice that can be hard to form. Obviously, it's more comfortable to work without hearing protection, or it's easier in most cases to communicate without hearing protection. So these are the type of things that work against the very behaviors that we need to protect ourselves against hearing loss. Protecting one's hearing can often be simplified into the most basic, low-cost earplug. These products can be very effective. However, educating the end user and sharing information around these best practices to see actual change on the ground level remains the biggest challenge. This is the best place to start. The Occupational Health and Safety Act stipulates the minimum requirements needed to be put in place by the employer in order to reduce the number of hearing loss cases. Applying the hierarchy of controls is critical. Employers need to ask themselves if the source of the raised noise levels can be eliminated or moved out of proximity of the workforce. If this cannot be done, engineering controls need to be put in place to try and reduce or eliminate the high noise levels. Once this has been done, one needs to know the exact levels of noise that still exist. This can be done by commissioning an occupational hygienist to come on site and conduct a noise survey to record those noise levels. Once this is known, the selection of the correct hearing protection device is critical. This is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each area of the workplace will have different noise levels and different practical application factors to be considered. So to simplify this, we've compiled a document to help employers select the correct fit-for-purpose hearing protection. We're titling this document A South African Employer's Guide to Effective Hearing Protection. At uvex, we understand that hearing is invaluable to enjoying the simple pleasures of life. That's why our solutions are more than just products. They're a part of your commitment to workplace safety, compliance and care. By choosing uvex, you're not only protecting your employees, but you're investing in their productivity, their well-being and their long-term health. You can get in touch with any one of our authorized distributors. Alternatively, reach out to us at uvex.co.za.